Hello everyone. So today is 5th of June. Today is World Environment Day. So today I'll share with you two very environment friendly menstrual hygiene options. One of them is the menstrual cup and the second are the period panties. Okay, so both of them, the advantage is they are reusable, they are washable. You can just take them out, wash it, kind of sterilize it, use it again. Very, very environment friendly. So I'll start with the menstrual cups. They're available in many sizes, and you just have to put it inside the vagina. They hold the period blood inside. You can take them out after about 6 to 8 hours, depending on your flow. Wash them, sterilize them, and ready to use again. The advantage is they are kind of comfortable. Your body adapts to them. You forget that you are bleeding, so there is no rash outside. There is no irritation outside. And the good thing about menstrual cups are you can use them while swimming also. You can use them in water sports also, and there is no leak. The only thing is it is comfortable to use in number one sexually active females, and number two the first time probably when you use them, how to put it in, how to take out the vacuum and how to put them take them out, you might need help of a gynecologist for the first time, just to tell you. The second life-changing product for me has been period panties. They were introduced to me from my cousin from Canada, and then I kind of looked into it. And in India, we have many brands. So I have used Super Bottoms and I have used Mahina. Both of them are very comfortable cotton panties, breathable. There is no rash. They are very absorbable, heavy flow. And after, depending on your flow, you just remove them. You wash off the blood, and they're even machine friendly. You can put them in the washing machine with the rest of your clothes. The only thing is, of course, you cannot use them in swimming and water sports. But if you have a sensitive skin and if you think that you're prone to rash and the plastic it irritates you, or the fabric of the panty liners it irritates you, this is going to be life changing for you. Saying said all that, the very 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 important point that I understand is both of them, you just wash them and reuse them. So the loads and loads of garbage that we produce during menstrual during our menses, be it period panties or be it tampons, that we can save. So I think that, and both of them are very comfortable. So let me know your experiences with them. Thank you.